Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by this look, we are creating, low-key kind of recreating one of my old videos in a way, but this is a updated holiday glam with a bold lip. This look is perfect for Christmas. I know Thanksgiving just passed, but it's really great for the holidays, especially when you're going out, girl. So if you want to achieve this look, please keep watching. Okay, as you can see, my brows are done. I'm going a little bit harder with this makeup look, so I did have like much bolder, way more bold brows than usual. As you can see, I'm going into that Morphe palette by James Charles. Look, I'm not getting into drama with him. I love his palette. I know he has a lot of stuff that's controversial. I love his palette personally. So as you can see, I'm taking the light tan color that I had. I'm going to put all of the products down below because honestly, guys, I don't feel like getting up to try to look up every product I have right now. So I'm going to just put everything in the description box so that it's there. And disclaimer, I am a yapper. So if you are just trying to watch the video, child, put it on mute because I'm gonna be yapping. So I'm zooming in just so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm just taking that beige or light tan color and kind of just warming up my eyelids, putting it all over. I'm gonna do the same thing with that color right there. It looks lighter on the camera, but it was like a brick type of color, like a red but lighter than red. So I'm adding that as well, just to warm up my eyelids. You're gonna see me take the color all the way up to my brows, just how I like to do, like just in the front part. I just love the way it looks blended. It's gonna look a hot mess throughout the process, but again, makeup is a process, so you have to trust it. But I'm just gonna keep that blended, keep blending that out, and then look, as you can see, y'all see that? Oh my god. So I'm wiping some of it off just so I can control the eyeshadow a little bit better. Wiping it off, or wiping whatever excess you have, allows you to kind of blend better with eyeshadow. So just a little note there. Okay, so another heads up, I was really trying to get a hold of this lighting. Like, again, I don't know, I think I said this in my last video, but I'm trying to learn my camera. I'm really playing with the lighting around because, I don't know, y'all let me know if it's just me, but sometimes when I have like a white background, it's kind of hard to control the lighting. And if I have some camera experts, please let me know. So yeah, I'm going in with this dark brown. So as you can see, I warmed up my eyelids, and this dark brown is kind of just going to add some depth into my crease. This is kind of like a going out look, so if you're looking for more during the day, I wouldn't do this super dark brown because, again, it's kind of like going out. Of course, do whatever you want, but if you're kind of just if you want to do your makeup for the event, I would definitely do this makeup for an event that is for something at night, or if you're going out or doing something at night. I don't know why I can't talk today. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm going to try to keep it in the crease in the outer parts of my eye. It's not going to be neat. It doesn't have to, because I'm going to blend everything out. But as you can see, I'm just keeping everything towards the outside. I'm bringing it in a little bit just to kind of add some, just some, I always say this, some depth into my eyes. But it's kind of just what it is. Like, as you can see, it's making it look more defined, if that makes sense. So I'm taking that brush that we had originally, and I'm just blending out the edges. So as you can see, it's looking much more smoother. I had to kind of fix the camera just so you can see better, but as you can see, it's looking much smooth, much more blended. And I did not add any additional product to that brush. So that was the brush that we originally used for that tan color and that brick red color. Taking this NYX glitter glue, again, everything's gonna be in the description box, and a flat brush. This glitter glue is literally for glitter, but I swear to you guys, whenever I'm using shimmers, it works like magic. It just makes the color pop more, in my opinion. It's kind of just stuck there where it's not moving around, because I know with shimmers sometimes it could be like moving so much that it kind of like looks like you have a dent in it. Not a dent, but it just looks as if, it's not smooth. And I feel like this glitter glue just really adds some just tackiness. Like, it's just literally glitter glue, but it works really, really well with shimmers. I forgot where I learned that trick from, but I'm pretty sure I learned it somewhere here on YouTube. So as you can see, going in with that gold color, and I'm just literally going to just tap it. Look at that. It was like a reddish gold, not gold, but look at that. Like, that's beautiful. You see how easy it's gliding onto my eyelid? Like, I don't know, sometimes with shimmers it can be really messy, and I feel like the glitter glue kind of keeps everything neat because the glue is grabbing all of the product, so it's not like moving around. And as you can see, I'm using like just tapping motions. I'm not trying to slide the brush. I'm literally just tapping it onto my eyelid. That way it's not dragging. I don't want it to drag. We want it to just stay. So we're just tapping. And then I'm gonna take this color and try to put it in the inner corners of my eye, y'all. I don't know why I did that, but I actually hated it. So y'all gonna see me wipe it off because it was kind of throwing everything off. Like, you could see it in my face. Like, no, we had to get rid of it. So I'm gonna wipe that off. Shimmer in the corner just didn't go that day. I don't know, she just didn't want to cooperate. Okay, so now we're going into this old BH Cosmetics palette. I think it's BH Cosmetics palette that I have. And I'm going to just use that white there. And I feel like that looks better. It looks a mess right now, but I am going to take a brush and just blend out the edges. That way it looks much more smoother. But you guys are going to see that. I don't know. My fixation with having a lighter color in the inner corner right now is crazy. Like, and it's crazy because some of my old makeup looks, I hated that, but I don't know. So as you can see, I added my lashes off camera. These lashes are the same ones that I used in my last video. As you can see, I got All Reliable with me, my Maybelline Fit Me. You know, it's something about this foundation. I will never let her go. Like, she will always be that girl to me. And you know who really put me on to that? Aaliyah J. Like, she really, really put me on to Maybelline back in the days. And ever since then, I've been hooked. Like, I love the NARS foundation, but Maybelline just hits on a different level. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. I didn't add a lot of foundation, you guys, because I really didn't feel like I needed it. Lately I've just been covering up the parts where I feel like need some 1-2, and I just blend it out. So sometimes I do take a little foundation on the back of my hand and I will add it and blend as I go, just so I can control the product, because I really don't like too much foundation. Going in with my Too Faced concealer. Y'all know this is my fave right now. Comment your favorite concealers down below. I am going to give some new ones a try because I am going to go stop at Ulta. So let me know what concealers are you guys using right now. I'm not a fan of the e.l.f. Don't get me wrong, I like the hydrating one. It's just, I don't know, I like e.l.f. for eyebrows and eyebrows only. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just blending out my concealer, and you're gonna see me blend out with my favorite brush ever. See, boom, it's like flip, boom, boom. So I'm setting with my DermaBlend setting powder. I don't know, like, DermaBlend has never did me wrong. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I had to learn how to really work with it, because in a way it would make me super dry. So before I even put all this makeup on, guys, I did prep my skin before. So if you're going to use this setting powder and you have dry skin, please really, really, really moisturize under your eyes, because I would hate for you to have dry patches, because that's exactly what I had in the beginning when I first started using this powder. But I don't know, because you guys are going to see, I'm going to set under my eyes, and you see how blurring it is. Like, I really, really like that. I really, really like that highlight. Hold on. I really like the super bright under eye. I think it has me in a chokehold. So I'm just setting my under eye makeup. I'm gonna be real with y'all, I was not gonna add the face part of this makeup, because in the camera look at that, oh my god, my blush almost scared me when I seen it. But in the camera, when I was doing it, I was not feeling it. That's why I'm looking like nervous, like it's so funny watching now, because it's really not looking that bad. But y'all, I kid you not. See, I'm like blending with my foundation brush, just trying to make sure everything looks blended, because I was looking a little crazy. So most of these products you guys kind of know already. This is my favorite contour, well, bronzing, whatever you want to call it. This is my go-to right now. I like to bronze my cheeks, or excuse me, my high cheekbones, or whatever you want to call it. And then of course my nose, my jawline, that's what it was, not cheekbones, jeez. So going back in, this was actually a Morphe palette. Wow, I call it a BH Cosmetics palette, and it's a Morphe palette. So I'm taking that with an angled brush. I didn't have any white eyeliner, but I honestly did not want to go white with this look. I am going to do a white eyeliner look because I really love that. But for this look, oh goodness, y'all heard the ADHD. For this look, I really wanted to keep it more so, I don't know. I didn't want to use a white. I really felt like the nude, or that, it looks white, but it's actually like a nude color that I went and used for the under eye. I didn't want to go white because I didn't want it to look that bright. You see how it opens my eyes immediately? Like you can literally see a difference. I didn't want to go too hard with that. So once you see me do this, you're going to also see me go in and use my original color. Well, it's a color that looks close to the transition color. Well, let me stop. I'm going too fast. Let me slow down. Y'all gonna see. So as you can see, I'm just trying to blend out this light color under my eye. I'm gonna drag it, but the dragging wasn't working. So tap it, guys. Tap it. Don't be like me. Be better. But like I said before, but this is the color I was gonna use to kind of just bring out that nude color a little bit. So I don't know if you could really tell in the camera, but it was really kind of making the under eye pop more, and I knew I was going to do that, which is why I didn't want to use the white, because I didn't want it to be too much. I feel like this nudish color was perfect because it kind of went with the look without being overpowering, because I didn't want the lids to be overpowered. Okay, I'm yapping. But taking my favorite mascara by Fenty. Oh my god, this last mascara is that girl. When I tell you, oh my god, best mascara ever. I rarely try to use it because I don't want to run out. I have 2 right now and I don't want to run out. Okay, so I'm just taking this dark brown lip liner. This is just a lip liner I got from the beauty supply store. You know, the ones that be right next to the eyebrow pencils. Yeah, it's one of those. It's in dark brown, I believe. Again, everything's in the description box, so if I'm saying stuff wrong, it's gonna be correct in the description box. And then I'm going in with this Morphe lip gloss. I want to say it's one of their newer lip glosses. Not sure. It's new to me. It smelled like chocolate. It was really buttery. Really good. Really good. 10 out of 10. I really loved the pigment as well. It was kind of just like the star of the show. It was the star of the show. But as you can see, I am going to go ahead and wrap up with this, and we are pretty much done. I did set my face off camera with the Morphe setting spray. If you like this look, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video.